10 health benefits that you can obtain when you replace all drinks with water. 1. You lose weight at a faster rate. Drinking water or drinking warm water for weight loss is one of the most recommended methods. As a natural remedy that helps you lose weight, water has 0 calories, sugar or fat as opposed to drinks like sweetened beverages and alcoholic drinks that are full of calories. When you replace the intake of these sugary and fizzy drinks with water, you are helping boost your metabolism, which, in turn, ensures that you lose weight at a faster rate. Water is also a natural appetite suppressant, and various health studies have shown that drinking 2 glasses of water before meals can help dieters lose more weight. Drinking water to lose weight is a tried and tested technique. Plus, since dehydration makes you weak, fat and sick, consuming enough water will help keep this adverse effect at bay. 2. You flush out toxins from your body. Drinking too much soda, soft drinks can cause kidney damage. Since kidneys help eliminate toxins and waste from the body, its inability to perform the said function due to high sugar consumption can lead to the accumulation of metabolic waste, which can cause a lot serious health problems. Water, on the other hand, is a natural lubricant that helps the kidneys to function well. By drinking enough water, your kidneys are able to perform at their maximum, helping you flush out toxins from the blood and urine through the bladder, thus helping you keep your body and system clean from the inside out. 3. You improve your muscles' endurance and flexibility. When it comes to building and maintaining bones, calcium is one of the important minerals that is required. Consuming large amounts of carbonated drinks that contain dissolved carbon dioxide, can interfere with calcium absorption, resulting in weak bones and muscles. Thus, in order to prevent this, it is essential that you severely cut back on soft drinks and energy drinks that contain carbonation and replace these with water. The importance of water in our body can't be overemphasized. Not many may be aware of the fact that water constituents for a large part of our muscle composition. Water helps absorb and retain essential minerals, which, in turn, helps us maintain healthy and strong bones. As such, by keeping yourself well hydrated, you are able to not only improve your muscles' endurance, but you are also able to improve your flexibility, which will help you achieve peak performance in all that you do. 4. Your ability to focus and concentrate gets sharper. Apart from affecting your physical health, sugary fizzy drinks or carbonated drinks can also hurt your mental health. Overconsumption of these beverages can lead to dehydration and can trigger an imbalance in certain brain chemicals, resulting in issues like depression, poor memory, brain fatigue, and lack of mental clarity. By switching over to water, you are able to effectively combat the ill effects of these beverages. Also, by ensuring your body is well hydrated, you are making sure that your brain, which is made up of 80% of water, is able to access the required amount of oxygen which is needed in order for it to function at an optimal level. Water helps enhance your ability to focus better. It also helps increase concentration and memory power. Additionally, it reduces daytime fatigue and aids in preventing attention deficit disorders in both children and adults alike. 5. You get a glowing and healthier skin complexion. One of the major benefits of replacing your favorite soft drinks with plain water is bright and radiant skin. Aerated drinks are known to cause damage to skin cells and collagen bonds, resulting in premature aging, dullness, dryness, dark spots, wrinkles and others. Thus, to nullify the effects of these harmful drinks and to detoxify your body, it is advisable that you drink sufficient water on a daily basis. This helps to flush out toxins and facilitates faster production of blood and muscle cells, providing you with a glowing and healthier skin complexion in a very short span of time. 6. You lower the risk of many diseases. It is a proven fact that when you eliminate high-fat and high-sugar foods from your diet, it ultimately leads to a healthier life. When you cut down on sugary drinks, which offers you no essential nutrients, vitamins or minerals, and replace it with water, you are able to improve your overall general health. Water helps improve blood circulation, digestion, and aids in the greater absorption of essential nutrients, thus preventing muscular cramps, headaches, constipation, kidney stones and other illnesses. In addition, water also helps reduce the risk of obesity in children, and it helps decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases in adults. 7. Water promotes the growth of healthy hair. Excessive consumption of alcohol and fizzy drinks can also lead to hair loss. Since carbonated drinks make it difficult to produce essential hormones which are needed for hair growth, it can result in stunted hair that is brittle and flaky. As such, if you want to have healthy hair, then moving to water is your best bet. Water helps to deeply nourish your hair roots. It also helps you to hydrate your scalp. Further, by drinking enough water, you will be able to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp, thus promoting hair growth and ensuring that you have a healthy and gleaming hair. 8. You are able to stimulate your digestive system. Carbonated drinks primarily consist of dissolved carbon dioxide that can cause indigestion and flatulence. Similarly, soft drinks or soda are mostly acidic, and a high consumption of it can lead to pH imbalance, leading to a host of serious digestion problems like bloating, stomach ulcers, diarrhea, gas and stomach pain. Therefore, to steer clear of these issues and to achieve a healthy and an improved digestive system, switching over to drinking water is essential. Adequate intake of water on a day-to-day basis will help prevent stomach disorders and will improve bowel movements. Plus, it will help improve the balance of pH levels in your body and aid in preventing constipation. 9. Water improves blood circulation. Artificial sweeteners found in many sugary drinks and soda can cause some of the blood vessels to perform irregularly, leading to an array of health problems such as high blood pressure, increased heart rate, reduced blood flow to the brain and the digestive system, and other vital organs. As one of the most crucial elements of human life, water can help improve blood circulation in the body, thereby ensuring that your blood vessels are not impeded in any way. Hence, if you want your blood circulatory system to work efficiently, then you need to quit sodas and other sugary drinks as soon as possible and replace these with pure drinking water. 10. You are re-energized and it uplifts your mood. A leading cause of lethargy and chronic fatigue is sugary, caffeinated and carbonated drinks. Too much intake of caffeine and soft drinks leads to dehydration, resulting in you feeling tired and sleepy. The sudden spike in blood sugar followed by the sudden crash causes hormonal imbalance, resulting in fatigue, irritability, mood swings, sugar cravings among others. To tackle this issue, you need to swap sugary drinks for water, which will help boost your energy levels and aid in the process of stress relief. Also, keeping yourself hydrated is the key to maintaining a bright and sunny mood. Plus, it will help improve productivity throughout the day by keeping you energized.